In this video, I will show you how to quickly transform your images using the powerful photo magic features found in Adobe Express. Adding a filter is one of the easiest ways to give your graphics a professional and cohesive look without needing years of editing experience. To get started, make sure you have your project open and your image placed on the canvas. The first step is to simply click on the photo you want to modify to highlight it. Once you do this, you will notice that the Properties panel on the left side of your screen automatically updates to show options specifically for that image. Look closely at this panel and find the section labeled Effects. Click on it to open up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Within the Effects menu, you will see a dedicated category for filters. Here, you can scroll through a wide variety of presets designed to change the mood of your shot instantly. You might want to go with a classic grayscale for a cinematic feel, or perhaps try the matte filter to give your photo a soft and modern aesthetic. If you want something bolder, Adobe Express offers colorize and duotone options that can make your visuals really stand out. The best part is that as you click on different presets, you will see those changes happen in real time on your canvas. This allows you to experiment freely until you find the exact style that matches